The Jamaica Constabulary Force has confirmed that 3 males have been arrested in connection with the assault of a student from the Hopewell High School in Hanover. The incident occurred on Monday, November 25th, when the 15-year-old complainant was walking home from school. Reports are that Amir Campbell, along with several other students, ambushed the child behind a church in the vicinity of the Orchard community. He was reportedly kicked in the head, neck, and back and was slapped in the face by Campbell. Reports indicate that Campbell and the others involved threatened the complainant, warning him not to report the incident. He remained silent until November 27th, when he was again assaulted by Amir and other students in the same location. This incident was captured on video, which has been making the rounds on social media. The young men arrested are reportedly linked to volatile communities in Hanover and the St. James. Meanwhile, sources in St. James say those arrested are alleged members of the Young Sparta gang. Among those in custody is the main suspect, 17-year-old Amir Campbell, who has been charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. He is slated to appear before the Lucy Family Court on the 3rd of December. More from Senior Superintendent Andrew Nish, Commanding Officer for the Hanover Police.
The Hanover Police have arrested 3 male students in connection with a physical assault incident of another student. A video circulating online shows a group of students attacking a male student, hitting and kicking him all over his body. The police were notified, and based on information received, it has resulted in the arrest of 3 students. Investigations are still underway to identify and apprehend the additional suspects. The relevant authorities have been notified, and counseling services will be provided to the victim and his family. The police condemn and will not condone these senseless acts of violence in Hanover or anywhere in Jamaica. We are working diligently to ensure all parties involved are held accountable. Student safety and well-being remain a top priority, and the police will continue to work closely with the school community to prevent such incidents.